This is the K15 and K21, Swit's new lineup of production monitors designed for on-set use, and they're some of the most practical and sturdy solutions which we've seen to date. The K15 has a 15.4-inch 1920 by 1200 IPS panel, while the K21 has a 21.5 inches 1920 by 1080 IPS panel. Both deliver 1500 nits of brightness, so can be seen outside without a sun hood when needed. But perhaps the most important aspect of the displays is that they can run their own calibration with an X-Rite or a Calibrite color checker probe. Just plug it into the USB-C port on the back, and there's an option in the menu for it to just run its own calibration profiles. It only takes a couple of minutes, and it makes it incredibly easy to keep these nice and color accurate while you're working. But the physical design is what really sets these apart from the competition. Everything about these two monitors is stronger and better built than we usually see on products in this category, and certainly at this price point. So let's go through each area of the monitors and I'll show you why we say that. Firstly, over the screen is a big strong plastic screen protector by default, which screws into place on the corners. Around the edges are these big rubber bumpers to help protect against knocks and drops, shielding those delicate corners of the display, which might crack if you drop the monitor. The feet are really strong, made of metal and nice and easy to remove when you want to. And there's plenty of positioning ports all around the side for these cheese plates which come with it, so that you can mount accessories wherever you need to. On the back, one of the first things people notice is this carry handle. It's metal, very secure, fixed in place and incredibly sturdy. In the middle of both sizes of monitor is a VESA mounting plate, and they do come with a fairly simple C-stand mounting plate which gets the job done. But you can swap it out, of course, for a higher end, any kind of mounting system that you like to, if you just want that extra bit of adjustability, like rotating the monitor vertical, for example. On a lot of the competition, you do get a central VESA mount on the bigger monitors, but not on the smaller ones like the 15-inch monitors. So it is great to see Swit add it to the K15 as well as the K21. What's also great to see is the V-lock plate. Now, all of these monitors have V-lock plates normally, but often they need a cable to go into the DC port in order to work. But here it's actually integrated, no cables needed, just stick a battery on and you're away. It's a small thing, but it makes such a difference. That is the way it should be. Another really nice design touch on the back is this big curve of metal next to the ports. Now this is just simply to protect those SDI ports because they stick out. So that means if they get knocked or when you lie the monitor down, it's not resting its weight on the SDI ports, it's resting on this metal chunk instead. Then you can buy the K21 built into a flight case if you want to. Now this is a hard case which you can take both the front and the back off of. It also comes with a larger and more adjustable VESA C-stand adapter which can be kept in place when the back of the monitor is attached, which is really useful. So that's going to be really nice for rental companies and OB companies, anything like that. Each of these things may perhaps seem like quite a small thing, but if you add them all together, you end up with a very strong and robust overall design, which is perfect for rigorous on-set environments and rental companies. You know, monitors like this, they tend to get thrown about quite a bit on productions. So this level of build quality, it is really appreciated by customers. Let's go over the ports that we get at the back. For power, there's the V-lock plate, which we've already mentioned, and then a 4-pin XLR DC input for using bigger floor batteries like the Swit Volta. And of course, there's the AC, mains power as well. Over on the other side, we get 2 SDI inputs and loop-through SDI outputs, an HDMI input and a USB-C port. That's the one that you need to use for the calibration, which we mentioned before. The UI is based around their Scene OS, which just lets you set up these simple scenes with different tools on and just cycle through each of the scenes. You get up to 8 scenes, each of these can have 8 tools on them, and there's a load you can choose from and lots of customization. All of the exposure tools like waveforms, false color, zebras, vector scopes, there's anamorphic D-squeeze, LUTs, aspect ratio guides, everything that you need. So that is the Swit K15 and K21 production field monitors. These are going to be such an easy recommendation for us for so many different kinds of customers, from small production companies to rental companies and broadcasters. Swit make a lot of great monitors now, but if you need rugged and lightweight on-set field monitors, these are definitely the ones to pick. If you want to buy one, head over to Proving. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.